Hello everybody, this is my first video from this YouTube channel. As you can see, today I take this FTMO challenge and I want to record all transactions that I will open in order to pass this challenge. Today is Friday and starting with next week I will start to record and document all transactions that I will open in order to pass this FTMO challenge. As you can see, I will use MetaTrader 5 and the account has 0 trades in this moment. I want to see ask price and bid price on the chart and I will check here. Also tick volume. Okay. As you can see here we have two lines, a red line and a white line. These are ask and bid price. I will download and install MaxPower Risk Management and I will use this application on my FTMO account in order to manage the trades. As you can see, I download MaxPower Risk Management application and now let's configure it in MetaTrader 5. I will go on File, Open Data folder. I will go in MQL5 directory, Experts, and in this directory I will copy MaxPower Risk Management application. Now the application must appear in MetaTrader 5 here. I will refresh Expert Advisors. I will drag and drop the application on the chart. I check Allow DDL imports. And now we have to go in Tools, Options, Expert Advisors and enable Allow Web Request and to add this URL address. I will copy this URL address from here. Now I will go in Tools menu, Options, Expert Advisor, and here I will check Allow Web Request and I will add the URL here. I will check also Allow Algorithmic Trading and check also Allow DDL imports and now click OK. Now we can log in the application. I will add also the password and now click on Login. Great! As you can see, I was able to log in successfully in the application. I will use MaxPower Risk Management application in order to open all trades from this FTMO account in MetaTrader 5. When I will make 110k, I will pass this FTMO account from phrase 1, and because of this I will set an alert. I will put here 110k to receive alerts when balance of this account will be 110k. I would like to receive an alert for daily drawdown of 3% from this account and I will set here $3,000. If I will lose more than 3% from this account in one day, I will receive one alert now. For each trade, I will risk 1% from this account. Trading style that I use will be survival mode. I will not use killing account mode because I want to be disciplined and I want to protect my capital and I want to stay in this game long term. If I will click on killing account mode, as you can see, I don't have any protection, I don't have any rule for my trading style and I can blow my account as soon as possible. On survival mode I have rules that I have to respect for this trading style. I can open only one trade one time, I am not allowed to increase the stop loss and I can open maximum 3 trades per day. This is a protection for overtrading and oversizing. Survival mode will help me to be disciplined in order to pass this FTMO challenge. Great! This is my trading setup for MetaTrader 5. From next week, I can start trading on this account. We can start the challenge. My recommendation for you is to subscribe to this YouTube channel in order to follow my trading journey and to see exactly how I manage the risk, what strategy I use, and how I progress on this trading challenge. Thank you.